A very good morning to all of you. Students, today we will do our chapter 3 and friends. Now look at its summary. One morning, Tony had nobody to play with him. एक सुबह टोनी के पास उसके साथ खेलने के लिए कोई नहीं था. His mother said that he could play in the garden till lunch time. उसकी माँ ने उससे कहा कि वो लंच के समय तक गार्डन में यानी बगीचे में खेल सकता है. In the garden he found an old log with shiny black ants marching up and down. In the garden बगीचे में he found उसने पाया एक पुराना लट्ठा, लकड़ी का लट्ठा जो कि जिसपे शाइनी ब्लैक एंड्स, चमकदार काली चींटियां मार्चिंग अप एंड डाउन, ऊपर और नीचे जा और आ रही थी. द एंड्स कैरीड फूड इन देयर माउथ. जो चींटियां थी वो अपने मुंह पे भोजन यानी खाना ले जा रही थी. एंड पुट इट अंडर द लॉग, और उस भोजन को लॉग के नीचे रख रही थी. ही लर्न्ड फ्रॉम एंड्स दैट वर्क हार्ड एंड वर्क टुगेदर एज अ टीम. टोनी ने उन चींटियों से सीखा कि वर्क हार्ड, कठिन मेहनत करनी चाहिए, एंड वर्क टुगेदर एज अ टीम, और अपना काम एक समूह, एक टीम बनाकर करना चाहिए. नाउ look at scene passage 1. Tony played the garden. He loved to look at the colorful flowers and the fruits on the trees. He loved to play with the bundles of sticks, dry leaves and an old tin pail. Now we will give the answer of these questions by the help of this paragraph. Now look at question number A. What did Tony play with in the garden? So, do you know by which thing Tony played in the garden? Yes, Tony loved to play with the bundles of sticks, dry leaves and an old tin pail. So we will write answer here. Tony loved to play with the bundles of sticks, comma, dry leaves and an old tin pail. Full stop. Now look at question number B. What did Tony love about the garden? And according to this paragraph, he loved to look at the colorful flowers and the fruits on the trees. So, we will write the answer. Tony loved to look at the colorful flowers and the fruits on the trees. Full stop. Now look at question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Here are two fill in the blanks, and we will solve these fill in the blanks by the help of this scene passage. Tony does the garden. So what will come here in the blank? Loved. Tony loved the garden. Now look at question number B. He loved to play with the days of sticks. So what will come here? Now look at this scene passage. Tony loved to play with the bundles of sticks. So here comes answer, bundles. BUNDLES, bundles. He loved to play with the bundles of sticks. Now turn your page and take out page number 14. Look at question number 3. Write word meaning of bucket and sea. So let's find out these word meanings from our passage. So look students, the word meaning of bucket is pail and the word meaning of sea is look. So we will write this answer in page number 14. Bucket means PAIL, pail, and sea means LOOK, look. Now we will solve scene passage 2. First of all, read this paragraph carefully. Tony watched them. What are they doing? टोनी उन्हें देखता रहा कि वे क्या कर रही हैं. Where are they going? वे कहाँ जा रही हैं. He wondered. उसे बहुत आश्चर्य था. He looked carefully at an ant. उसने एक चींटी को बहुत सावधानी पूर्वक देखा. It was carrying some food in its mouth. ये जो चींटी थी जिसे एंट टोनी देख रहा था वो अपने माउथ में, अपने मुंह में कुछ खाना ले जा रही थी. The other ants went under the log and put the food there. और जो दूसरी चींटियां थी वो went under the log, उस लॉग के नीचे गई and put the food there, और वहां पर उन्होंने अपना भोजन रखा. Now we will solve these questions answers by the help of this paragraph. Now look at question number 1. Give the answer of these questions. Now look at question number A. Whom did Tony watch? So whom did Tony watch? Tony watched them. So whom did Tony watch them? Tony watched ants. So we will write the answer. Tony watched. We can write them or ants also. Tony watched them. Full stop. Now look at question number 2. What was the ant carrying? What was the ant carrying? Ant was carrying some food in its mouth. So we will write this answer here. The ant was carrying some food in its mouth. Now look at question number C. Where did other ants go? Other ants कहाँ गई? So the other ants went under the log. The other ants went under the law. Full stop. Now look at question number 2. Write past form of watch and wonder. So again we write the past form of these words by the help of this paragraph. So what is the past form of watch? The answer is watched. And what is the past form of wonder? The answer is wondered. So we will write these answers here. WATCHED, watched. WONDERED, wondered. Now look at question number 3. Write opposite of carelessly and many. So again we will find out the answer from the passage carelessly. So the opposite of carelessly is carefully, and the opposite of many is some. So we will write answer here. Carefully, and opposite of many is some. So students, these are 2 scene passages. Hope you will do this work in very beautiful handwriting. Till then, our next video. Goodbye everyone.